So now we are going to see the solution, an example. Okay, so that example will be a useful one. Okay, so we will take an example so that it will be very easy for understanding what is average profit. Now, when we talk about average profit, I have already told you it is nothing but the average of the profit, right? So average of the profit means total profit divided by number of years. Okay, fine. So let's take up an example. What is here? Profits for a farm. Okay, the profits of a farm is given like this. For the last 5 years, where 20,000, 23,000, 26,000, and 30,000, right? And rupees 35,000. Okay, so 5 years is 20,000, 23,000, 26,000, 30,000, and 35,000. Clear? Now, goodwill of the firm at 4 years purchase of average profit will be as follows, right? Now, goodwill of the firm was given for the last, goodwill of the firm is to be calculated on 4 years purchase. 4 years purchase means assume that for 4 years the business is going to perform in the same way, right? So how to do it? How we'll do is that first of all we'll take the total profit. How to take the total profit? What are the profits given? 20,000 plus 23,000 plus 26,000 plus 30,000 plus 35,000. This is the total profit. That is 1,34,000. Clear? We'll go step by step. First is to find out total profit. Now profits are given 20,000, 23,000, 26,000, 30,000, and 35,000. So accordingly, we will take the total profit. So it is coming 1,34,000. Clear? Then what will be the average profit? Average profit will be 1,34,000. That is the total profit divided by 5. Why 5? Because number of years are 5. Okay. So to average, we have to divide it by 5. If the number of years were 6, then we would have divided by 6. Okay. So the average profit comes to 1,34,000 divided by 5. It is 26,800. Clear? Now we have got the average profit. Clear? And we need the value of goodwill. So as we have already seen in the formula, value of goodwill is average profit multiplied by the number of years of purchase, right? So how many number of years of purchase we are having? It is 4. Okay, 4 years of purchase we have. So 4 years of purchase means how we are going to do the 4 years of purchase? Into 4. Very easy, right? So our average profit is 26,800 multiplied by 4. It comes 1,34,000. Sorry, there's a mistake in the calculation. Okay, in the book it is a mistake. There is a certain mistake in this sum. It will not be 1,34,000 here. Just let me confirm it. Okay, just let me confirm it. It is 26,800 into 4. So that comes to 1,07,200. So this value is not correct, right? So this value is not correct. We just make an editing there and write it 1,07,200. Clear? I guess it is clear now. Okay. Now what you will do is that when you write here, it will be easy for you to understand. 1,07,200. Okay. So this is the value of goodwill. Right? Very simple. Okay. So what we have done here is that we have first of all found out the total profit, then we calculated the average profit, and after that at last we just multiplied the average profit with the number of years purchase, right? So this way easily we could get the average profit. Sorry, uh, in this way we could easily get the value of goodwill, right? So now we will go with another sum so that the things are getting more clear and clear, okay, to you all. So we will take another sum. Before that, let me remove this. Yeah. So in this particular question, what you can see is that what is given here, calculate calculate value of goodwill from the following information. Now, what is the information given? Uh, the number of years are given, and profits in that particular year is also given, right? 2008-9 the profit was 40,000, 9-10 it was 50,000, 10-11 it was 70,000, 11-12 it was 85,000, and 12-13 it was 1,10,000. Clear? So and the years purchase is 4. Okay, number of years purchase is 4. It's just in coincidence that you are getting 4 years purchase in the previous question also, in this question also. It can be 2 years, it can be 3 years, it can be any number of years. Okay, so what you have to do is that just find out the total profit first. So what will be the total profit? 40,000 plus 50,000 plus 70,000 plus 85,000 plus 1,10,000. So that comes to 3,55,000. This is your total profit. Okay. So this is your total profit. 3,55,000. Fine. Now, after that, what you can see is that your number of years purchase is 4. But before going to that, you have to find out the average profit. So how to find out? What are the number of years? How many years are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 5 years. So how will you find out average profit? 3,55,000 divided by 5. So that comes to 71,000, right? That is 71,000. So the value of goodwill will be 71,000, that is average profit, into number of years purchase, that is 4 years. So 71,000 into 4 comes to 2,84,000, right? 2,84,000. So that is very simple way of finding out the value of goodwill. Likewise, we can see another sum. Here also what is given? What is given here? Just a minute, okay? Yeah. So what is given here is that profit or loss figure. Okay, both profit and loss. Here something new is there. Now, as I told you, you are going to add all the profit. So if there is loss, what will you do? Loss means a general loss. Okay, there are two types of loss. One is normal loss or general loss that a business make in a year. And the other one is abnormal loss. Now, regarding the later one, that is the abnormal loss, I will talk to you in detail about that. But let's finish the sum first. Okay. So profit or loss figure of a farm are as follows. In 2009, there is a loss of 10,000. Even if the word loss is not mentioned, okay, then also you can understand whether it is a profit or loss. Okay, how will you understand? The figure will be given in the bracket. Here you have written loss in the bracket. Many times the figure will be given in the bracket, and you have to understand if it is in the bracket, that means it is a loss, right? So 2009 it is 10,000, 2010 it is 5,000, 2011 it is 20,000, 12, it is wrong. Okay, you corrected. 2012, it is 30,000. 2013, it is 45,000. Okay, so now the profit or loss is known to us. The number of years is also known. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We will take 5 years. It is not that since there is a loss in 1 year, so we will take 4 years. It's not that. Since we are taking the base of last 5 years, so whether profit or loss, it will be divided by 5. Okay. So first of all, we will find out the total profit. Clear? So let's find out the total profit. What is the total profit? 10,000 will be minus, right? So what will be added? 5,000 plus 20,000, 25,000, right? Plus 30,000, it is 55,000. Plus 45,000, it is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh minus what is the loss? 10,000. It is coming how much? 90,000, right? So the total profit comes to 90,000 for the purpose of calculating goodwill. The profit comes to 90,000. Clear? Next, after that, what is given? We have to find out average profit, right? So how to find out average profit? Very simple. Average profit will be calculated by dividing the total profit. Okay, by dividing the total profit by number of years, isn't it? So what are the number of years here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 years. Number of years is not the number of years purchased, mind its friends. Number of years means for how many years you are taking the profit. So 5 years you are taking, right? So 90,000 divided by 5, it will be 18,000. So your average profit is 18,000. Clear? Once you have got the average profit, what you will do? You will multiply the average profit with the number of years. So let's find out what is that. Goodwill will be valued at 3 years purchase of average profit. 3 साल का पकड़ना है, 3 years purchase. So multiply the average profit into 3. So average profit is 18,000, right? Average profit is 18,000. Multiply it by 3 comes to 54,000. So the goodwill of the firm is 54,000. Clear? Let's take up another sum. Okay, where there are more than one loss. Okay, there are 2 losses in this question. So what is given here? Profit or loss of a firm for the last 7 years was as follows. For the last 7 years, record is given here. What is there? In 2007 it was 20,000. 2008 it was loss. See, bracket means loss. Okay, loss of 24,000. 2009 profit of 8,000. 2010 again loss of 2,000. Right? 2011 it is 12,000 rupees. 2012 it is 45,000 rupees, and 2013 it is 60,000 rupees. Okay. Now this is clear, I guess. So we will go with the solution. It is told that calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase. For 2 years we will take. Last few questions we saw it was 4 years. Then the previous question we saw 3 years. And this question we are saying 2 years purchase. It is just an arbitrary number, assumption. So no need to worry about that. It will be given in the question. Okay. So 2 years purchase of the average profit for the last 7 years. So last 7 years average profit you have to take first. So what to do? Let's take the average profit first. Sorry, total profit first. It is not given here. So how to find out total profit? Let's see the question once again. We can see that in the question, the total profit will be 20,000. Then 24,000 is a loss. Okay, so we'll take it later on. So 20,000 plus 8,000, again 2,000 is a loss. So we'll take later, right? Loss we'll take it separately. So 20,000 plus 8,000, 28,000 plus 12,000, 40,000, then 45,000. It is it comes to 85,000. Then plus 60,000, it comes to 1,45,000, right? Is it clear, all of you? Once again, I'm repeating. 20,000 plus 8,000, it will be 28,000. Plus 12,000, 40,000. Plus 45,000, 85,000 plus 60,000, it will be 1,45,000. Clear? So 1,45,000 minus 24,000 minus 2,000. So 1,45,000 minus 24,000 will be 1,21,000. Clear? Then again minus 2,000, it will be 1,19,000. You can do the addition and subtraction and check that. Okay, it will be 1,19,000. So the total profit is 1,19,000, and it is told that it is on the basis of last 7 years profit. So the number of years is 7. Clear? So how the outcome will be 1,19,000 into 7. So it is coming 17,000. The average profit is 17,000. Now what you will do is that this particular average profit will be multiplied by number of years. So what is the number of years purchase? Yeah, it is 2. Number of years purchase is 2. So average profit, that is 17,000, into number of years purchase, that is 2, it comes to 34,000. So the goodwill is 34,000. Okay, I guess it is clear to everyone. So before going to the next sum, I am going to give you a quick note. Okay, I guess up to here it is clear to everyone.